Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your computer is stuck in an automatic repair loop, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing we need to do is to hard shut down the computer. So we will keep pressing the power button until the computer or the system shuts off completely. Now once that is done, we will need to restart the computer in the advanced startup options mode. To do that, we will press the power key, and as soon as it illuminates, the screen illuminates, you press F11 and it will go to the advanced startup option mode. Now there you will get advanced options mode. Click on that, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and then click on the command prompt window. In the command prompt, we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow, and we will press enter, and that should scan the system and restart your computer again. But if it again goes into this automatic repair loop, then we need to again shut down the computer, or a hard shutdown. Keep pressing on the power button till the computer switches off, then press the power button again, press F11 as soon as the screen illuminates, and then go to advanced option mode, click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and click on command prompt. And then in command prompt, we will run the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter, and this should resolve the issue. If this doesn't resolve the issue and your computer again goes into the automatic repair loop, then you need to do a cloud reset. So for that, we need to shut down the computer, a hard shutdown. Keep pressing on the power button, and once the computer shuts down, then click on the power button again. As soon as the screen illuminates, click on F11. You will go into the advanced startup options mode. Click on advanced options, click on troubleshoot, and then advanced options, then click on reset computer, reset PC. And when you click on reset PC, you'll get two options, that is cloud reset and local reinstall. Just click on cloud reset, and you should be able to fix your computer. It will completely download a new version of the Windows software, and it will no longer be stuck in the automatic repair loop. You should be able to boot. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.